Good morning, guys. It's the 17th of October, and hope you're having a good morning. So, please stand for the pledge and following moment of silence. What's up, guys? There are college rep visits coming from BC3. Well, they already came, but local D1 and D2 and D3 schools coming into October 29th. Also, the students may sign up in the um, counseling center, and also FAFSA sign-ups are on October 20th. The ASVAB test will be administered on NOC on Wednesday, November 14th, during periods 1 through 4. Students grade 10 through 12 may sign up in the counseling center. This test is free and gives both your academic and occupational scores. Students will not be under any obligation to the armed services, but ASVAB scores are required for the students planning to join the military. There will be a chemistry club meeting after school on Thursday, October 18th in room 217. Officer elections will be done at this meeting. Please check your email for further details. Juniors and seniors, are you interested in serving in the United States military? There will be a guest speaker on Friday, November 2nd during periods 3 and 4. He is extremely knowledgeable and helpful regarding all military branches and all pathways to enter into the military. He will be giving a presentation as well as answering any questions you might have. Please see Miss Safre in the counseling office to sign up. The high school men's ensemble will begin rehearsing on Tuesday, October 16th, and will meet every Tuesday and Thursday during Channel 1. Any high school boy that'd like to sing with the men's ensemble is welcome to sign up. Please see Mr. Scipion in room 302 to get a pass or ask questions. Now, this was from Chase. Chase told me to tell you guys that last Friday, the boys football team won against Newcastle. And other news for myself, I sat and gum today at lunch. So if you have any like things that you guys want to like comment down below, like in the comment section about like detergents, I'd love to hear. Now over to Chase with the weather.
Sunny and 50.
Wow, that was a fast one, huh? Speed racer, huh? No, but actually, give me like, cause I sat and gummed. I'm actually kind of upset. But off to the joke of the day. This one's pretty simple. What is blue and smells like red paint? Blue paint. And for the fun fact of the day, every picture you take when you were younger is a picture of you when you were younger. Thank you, guys. Have a great and blessed day.